Welcome to this tutorial on Comment Best Practices in PowerShell. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to write clear and helpful comments that make your code easier to understand and maintain. Good commenting is an essential skill that separates beginner scripters from professional developers. Let's dive in and discover how to document your code effectively. Comments play a crucial role in software development. They help future developers, including yourself, understand the intent behind your code. When you return to a script months later, well-written comments reduce the time needed to understand what the code does and why certain decisions were made. Comments also reduce maintenance time and errors by providing context that isn't obvious from the code alone. They enable easier collaboration by helping team members quickly grasp your logic. Finally, comments are invaluable for documenting complex logic and the reasoning behind important decisions. In PowerShell, single-line comments begin with the hash or pound symbol. Any text following the hash symbol on that line is treated as a comment and ignored by PowerShell during execution. You can place comments on their own line to explain the code that follows, or you can add inline comments at the end of a line of code. For example, you might write #this is a single-line comment on its own line, or you could write $username equals "John" followed by hash inline comment. Single-line comments are perfect for brief explanations and quick notes. For longer explanations and documentation, PowerShell supports multi-line comment blocks. These begin with less than hash and end with hash greater than. Everything between these delimiters is treated as a comment, even if it spans multiple lines. Multi-line comments are particularly useful for documenting complex functions, explaining algorithms, or providing detailed context about a section of code. You can use them at the beginning of scripts to describe the overall purpose, or before functions to explain their behavior. The example shows a multi-line comment block followed by a function definition. Understanding the difference between good and bad comments is critical. Bad comments simply state what the code does, which is already obvious from reading the code itself. For example, #set variable or #loop through items don't add any value. Good comments, on the other hand, explain why something is being done and provide context. #store API response for validation tells us the purpose of storing the data. #validate each user against Active Directory explains the business logic. #skip inactive accounts clarifies an important decision in the code logic. Always aim to write comments that add meaningful information beyond what the code already shows. Follow these essential guidelines to write effective comments. First, explain why you're doing something, not what the code does. The code itself shows what it does, but only comments can explain the reasoning. Second, keep comments concise and focused. Avoid writing paragraphs when a sentence will do. Third, always update comments when you change the code. Outdated comments are worse than no comments because they mislead readers. Fourth, avoid obvious or redundant comments that just repeat what the code clearly shows. Finally, use proper grammar and spelling. Professional comments reflect professional code. PowerShell includes a powerful feature called Comment-Based Help that allows you to document functions in a standardized way. Comment-based help uses special keywords inside multi-line comment blocks. The synopsis keyword provides a brief description of what the function does. The description keyword offers a more detailed explanation. The parameter keyword documents each parameter the function accepts. The example keyword shows how to use the function. When users run get help on your function, PowerShell automatically formats and displays this information. This creates professional, accessible documentation that integrates seamlessly with PowerShell's help system. TODO comments help you track future work and improvements. TODO indicates functionality you plan to add later, such as TODO add input validation for email format. FIXME marks code that works but needs improvement, like FIXME handle null values properly. Hack identifies temporary workarounds that should be replaced with proper solutions, such as hack temporary workaround for API timeout. These special comment tags help you and your team quickly identify areas that need attention. Many code editors can search for and highlight these keywords, making them easy to find when you're ready to address them. Avoid these common commenting mistakes. First, don't leave large blocks of old code commented out. If you need version history, use a version control system like Git instead. Second, never write misleading or outdated comments. They cause more harm than good by sending future developers down the wrong path. Third, avoid over-commenting obvious code logic. If the code is self-explanatory, additional comments just add clutter. Fourth, don't use comments as a substitute for refactoring. If code needs extensive comments to be understood, consider rewriting it to be clearer. Finally, keep personal opinions and complaints out of comments. Maintain professionalism in your documentation. Let's recap the key points about comment best practices. Write comments that explain intent and context, not just what the code does. Use PowerShell's comment-based help feature to document your functions professionally. Always keep comments concise, accurate, and up to date with your code changes. Document complex logic, edge cases, and important decisions that aren't obvious from the code. Finally, strive to make your code self-documenting through clear variable names and logical structure, using comments to supplement rather than replace good coding practices. By following these principles, you'll create maintainable, professional PowerShell scripts that others can easily understand and work with. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.